Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Worldpay IQ Review My Usage Experience. Worldpay IQ Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive suite of tools for analyzing payment processing data. It's primarily aimed at businesses using Worldpay's payment gateway, offering insights into transaction details, fraud detection, and overall payment performance. Key features include data visualization dashboards, customizable reporting, and potentially advanced analytics tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Worldpay IQ's positioning is as a powerful data analytics solution for optimizing payment processing. It emphasizes detailed reporting and potential cost savings through improved fraud detection. Their website boasts ease of use and transparency in pricing, although specific details require account access. They don't explicitly mention any contracts, suggesting flexibility. The technology seems to be built around robust data aggregation and analysis, similar to other business intelligence platforms, but tailored specifically to payment data. Availability is likely limited to existing Worldpay customers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Worldpay IQ Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After logging in with my existing Worldpay credentials, I was presented with a clean and intuitive dashboard. The interface is well designed, using clear charts and graphs to represent key metrics like transaction volume, average order value, and chargeback rates. I was particularly impressed by the customizability of the reporting features. I easily created a report focusing on specific time periods and transaction types. Performance was excellent, the data loaded quickly and the reporting generated without delay. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support responded within a day via email, which was great. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the data on the go required using my laptop. Another minor point is that some of the advanced analytics features require a bit of a learning curve. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Worldpay IQ. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizability of the reports, allowing me to gain very specific insights into my business's payment flows. It generally met my needs and helped me better understand my payment processing data. That's my overview of Worldpay IQ Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.